Want to enhance your vocabulary living in Canada in French? See, when you are buying the things, the packet of something or the groceries, anything, on that, the name of that particular thing is always mentioned in two languages. It is in English and it is in French as well. So you people living in Canada, you people has an extra edge over this thing that you can have the vocabulary, much more than what living in India you can develop. So at that time, you must not be taking it lightly. You must be trying to read that for example, if a packet of cheese is there, so on the packet of cheese, fromage will be mentioned. Fromage is what we call cheese in French. So similarly, try developing the interest in that. Not just that 1 hour on 1.5 hour class, you are thinking that, okay, I will be dedicating only 1 hour or 1.5 hour for the French learning and rest of the day I won't be doing anything. Not like that. Try taking the taste in learning small small things in French. That will be helping you to dive deeper into the French language, and you will be learning quickly than what you were expecting earlier. Au revoir.